Hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. I'm Lloyd.
I am Harry.
And it's time to get dumb up in here. So, first off, cat out of the bag. We missed a couple of days.
In the room.
So those 6 of you that wanted to join us on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, man, we are so sorry we let y'all down. But we had some personal stuff. Lloyd was out of the office, and Harry was picking up the slack, basically. So yeah, it was
too busy in the office. Yeah.
Just too busy. Life kind of got in the way, and we're so sorry that we weren't around. But we are back. We're going to need to do some training. We may have forgotten how to run some of the buttons and clickers and stuff, and that'll be more evident later when we talk about our profile, because that was really fun. What we happened to work on today. So for those of you just joining us, welcome to the dumbest investing show you're going to find on all the YouTubes. This is Dumb Investing with Harry and Lloyd. So what we do here is, if you're new, for all 6 of you that joined us, hey man, welcome back, guys. We love y'all. For anybody new, we are 2 9-to-5 working fools who, when we get home from work and kiss the wives and feed the kids, we sit down and we do this funny show where we take some of our hard-earned retirement funds and we put it to the test of some random dice, a random stock picker, and a little bit of homework where we try to do the fastest deep dive, shallow dive, according to Harry, that we can do on a company. And of the 3 random chosen stocks, we try to pick one and we go buy it the next day with real money. So we started this show from scratch. In the link down below, you'll find our link to our spreadsheet. You guys can see everything since episode 1. And speaking of which, Harry, happy anniversary, Harry.
Oh, is it our anniversary again?
It's our 1-month anniversary.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Our first show was on 3/22. Today is 4/22.
Oh, that's
Isn't
so
that
awesome.
beautiful? It is beautiful.
It is. I remember those days back when you counted the 1-month anniversary, then the 2-month anniversary, then the 3-month anniversary.
Yeah.
And then you skip right over to like 10 or 14 or 15.
Yeah, and then it's like 22 years all of a sudden. You're like, what the
time just flies. and your portfolio is
to the moon, baby, rockets. Or not. Depending if Biden comes on and says, well, I think we're going to tax everybody, and then the stock, oh my gosh.
Yeah, what's going to happen if we buy a penny stock, we hit it big, we make millions, and now we got to pay all this tax?
Well, if you make $2 million, you'll owe $3 million back.
No.
Apparently I think that's how that works now.
I don't think that's how math works, but
I'm pretty sure that's how Biden's plan is going to work. Whatever you make, multiply it by 1.2 and then write us a check.
To cover off the debt, that's definitely how it's going to have to work, but I don't know how that's feasible.
Just run them printing presses, hand the money out. I mean,
the
world has completely lost its freaking mind.
I agree. It's totally insane. And it's no different up here in Canada where we're doing the exact same thing. You can pretty much guarantee that whatever you guys do in the US, we're pretty much going to do it probably a little bit dumber and a lot later. So, yeah, it's not a whole lot of fun.
No, I mean, it's crazy. And the more you listen to it, the more you're just like, I can't really believe, that we don't look at other countries that have tried just pouring on the taxes, then going, wow, that really didn't work. I mean, it's just, we don't learn from history, it seems. And so, well, it is what it is. I don't want to go down that path because it's a pretty.
That's all politics and stuff.
Yeah, and that's not fun. We're here to have fun.
Yeah, we're entrepreneurial spirits, right? So we like to make money and keep our own money.
We like to
invest it in more stuff.
Yep. If we earn it, we want it to be ours.
I agree.
All right. So we already talked about how we do this, right? We roll some random dice. We pick some random stocks. Let's go do it. All right. So random dice roll says a 5 clicker. So we go to our stock picker and we're clicking 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that is IUSB.
Dude, I really wanted that first one, that plug power. I've seen that one come up quite a bit.
All right, random number
USB. 2. IUSB.
All right, random 2 is another 5. Holy cow. How's that, Rand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, man. FT,
All
PAU,
of
PAU.
Sound like SPACs or ETFs or...
Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, a 6. Look at big numbers tonight.
FT,
1,
PAU.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. SCHL is our last. All right, so we are going to go do a little bit of homework. Harry is using Webull to do the homework. There is a link down below. If you follow that, put $100 in a Webull. They're going to give you 2 stocks. I got an update.
You did?
I did.
Tell me more.
Well, Webull, you have to go to the little promotions thing, and it'll tell you kind of what they're offering right now. And it says that that our people now will get 2 stocks. So
that's so awesome. I saw something the other day where somebody
put
said,
down below.
Yeah, click the thing down below. Somebody said the other day you get 1 free stock for signing up and then another free stock when you deposit $100. I don't know if that's our deal, but maybe that's what happened the first time.
I think that's our deal, that you get the 1 for following a link. And then the second one comes when the $100 clears or something like that. But put in the comments what you guys got. We'd love to hear what kind of stocks they're handing out. They do say they're going to give you stock valued at up to $1,800, which I believe they have some Facebook that they've been giving away and stuff like that. So, yeah. All right. So Harry's doing his homework on Webull. That's our trading account. I tend to use the Yahoo, and we look at these companies 2 different ways. So we're going to go do some research and find out what SCHL is all about. Oh, Scholastic Corporation.
Yeah.
We know what they're all about.
We do. But for those who don't, Scholastics is a publisher and distributor of children's books. They provide digital print or printed and digital instruction material for pre-kindergarten right up to grade 12. So basically books, everything that your kids do, everything that you've read as a kid likely probably came from Scholastics. So
back when I was in school as a young tot, we used to have book fairs where you would buy your Garfields and your Clifford books from Scholastics.
Yeah, I think for me it was more of an Archie kind of thing, but but yeah, definitely. You get your little book of magazines that choose, you get to choose one, you bring them home to your parents and you circle them and then they send an order form back. All types of wicked. And then you'd wait and it'd be like the first days of Amazon waiting for that package to show up.
It was the pre-Amazon. So it looks a lot like when you look in a macro view, it looks a lot like what we've seen, right? You see the dip at the COVID and the comeback, but there is a whole lot of volatility getting there, and there's a fair amount of volatility coming back out. So let's see if they're actually making money. And they are not. Whole bunch of revenue, though. Man.
Yeah, I gotta think the competition in this space is huge, right? I mean,
totally. And I would assume that COVID did nothing to help these guys with kids in the at home and the proliferation of Amazon. I don't feel comfortable about this one at all.
Yeah, printed books seem like such a thing of like they're phasing out, right? Like, or are they going to phase back in one day? Are they going to be like vinyl? I
don't know. I mean, I tried an e-reader for about 6 months, and I prefer physical book over e-reader.
Yeah, okay, boomer.
That's just talk to me about it, boomer. All right, we're on to FTPAU. Yep, that's an acquisitions corporation. Look at you.
I don't see
called it from the start.
Blank check company.
Yep.
We may have to get to the point here because there's so many of these blank checks back companies.
I know.
We may have to just repick another share.
Yeah, because I don't.
Sorry, another stock.
These are going to require a whole different type of research for us that
Yeah.
we're not really ready to do on a short show. We're trying to make sure that this show stays under half an hour. We don't want to waste people's nights, but we know how important this stuff is. Everybody wants to see what the heck these idiots are doing.
Well, really, they just want to see how much we use.
Yeah, we're going to surprise every one of you guys. We're not just dummies. We're smart dummies. All right.
I think that's still to be determined.
I know. Well, as it goes on, when we have to start selling, which is going to be any day now because we're almost out of our seed money, that's when the real fun hits, because we're going to have discussions over what to sell in order to have the money to buy the future stock the next day. So yeah, it's about to get interesting, folks, because we're going to start doing buying and selling, and oh yeah, we're going to have some good talks. I can't wait.
And probably a few arguments.
I will never argue. We will have discussions, but
all right, we'll have heated discussions then.
Doesn't even have to be heated. Wow, what happened there? So I'm assuming this was a buy the rumor, sell the news.
Well, this is a bond. This is all based on the bond market ETF, right?
Oh yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't even catch that. Good call. Yeah, talk about volatility. Man.
All kinds of things can happen.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I mean, this is all about whatever Biden says on a day-to-day basis, right? Essentially, like, yeah. What do we see? I'm going to pull up what happened today.
Well, the index measures the performance of U.S. dollar-denominated taxable bonds. So it's
but bonds are going to be a disaster when, all of the money printing either keeps going or stops. That's going to have a huge implication on what happens to the value of the dollar.
Yeah.
So take your pick. Do we keep printing money or do we stop? If we stop, what happens? If we keep going, what happens?
I know. And both of them are the wrong answer, right?
I agree. There is no right answer.
No. Could you imagine being Jay Powell right now, knowing that whatever choice you make is wrong? Whichever you choose. Heads, you're wrong. Tails, you're even wrong.
There is no inflation.
Hey, if you follow their little formula and you go to that store and you buy, yeah, there is no inflation.
Right? I don't know where they shop, but
well, he obviously didn't get the property tax bill that I just got yesterday. So no inflation, my ass.
Totally. Housing prices only went up 13.7% year over year.
Yeah. Do you guys have property taxes in Canada?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do get taxed. I know everybody says we don't get taxed. We get taxed a lot. Well, no, we get taxed a lot. Everybody doesn't say we don't get taxed. We do get taxed. We get taxed pretty well. But yeah, property taxes. So bigger property, the higher the value of your property, the more tax you get to pay. It's all kinds of great fun.
So I don't think we've ever had a night where all three of these are really not the right choice.
So why don't we say tonight is the night where we take that blank check, we'll remove it, and we'll pick another stock.
I think we should stay true to our program. We said we were going to pick three randomly and buy one. Let's buy the blank check.
Say what?
We said we were going to randomly pick three stocks.
I heard you. I just wondering if you lost your god darn mind.
I say we do it.
Yeah, okay. I mean, they trade 182 shares a day.
Ooh.
I mean, over here on 419, they traded two shares in a day. So, I mean,
this is
you could move the market tomorrow by buying one.
Well, we would probably buy 8.
Oh, you're definitely going to move the market then. All right, let's see what happens. Let's move the market.
It doesn't, I mean, when you look at the 52-week range, That's not. I mean,
I only
of
see
the
it.
three, would you pick Scholastic?
No,
Okay, and that IUSB thing.
no.
No, this is the least dumb of the dumb
Wait,
choices we got tonight.
say FTPAU.
FTPAU.
No.
We have
I
to
only-
pick one.
I show it was listed as March 12th. Do you have 52 weeks?
No, I don't have anything. I got no charts at all. I was reading down here the 52-week range.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I
52
did.
range. Yeah, the 52
Oh,
week
my
range
mouse is off again.
started a month ago.
You guys don't get to follow my mouse. There's the 52-week range.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it. What's the worst going to happen? It goes to 0, right?
Yeah, that's the worst. Yeah.
I mean, that's out. Okay, we're going to put a star next to this. Now, let's do a portfolio review. We need to have a little talk about what happened today because it's a pretty fun story and hasn't happened in our first month of being around.
That's because we're so in sync when we talk every day. When we don't, we have a little bit of an issue.
Correct. And that's awesome. So this is a story about teamwork. And I got back in town late last night. So I looked at our account and had realized that on the 16th, we had our show and we were supposed to buy CSWI. Well, Webull didn't allow me over the weekend to put in an electronic buy because you can only do that within like 3 or 4 hours of the open or close. So I never put in our buy for CSWI. And Harry saw that and he put in a buy. I did not realize that Harry had put in a buy, and I also put in a buy. So we ended up spending twice as much money as we normally would have on CSWI. Now, the nice thing is Harry bought at a different day or time than I did, and collectively we're ahead. So hopefully we're going to see this stock go up a little bit tomorrow. We're going to sell one of those. So when you guys look at our spreadsheet tonight, you're going to see that there's 2 on there and the value and our average costing and all that kind of jazz. We are going to sell one of those tomorrow so we have some cash to go buy the blank check. Woo-hoo! Yeah, because this is Dumb Investing. I'm Harry. I'm Lloyd. That's Harry. That's Harry. Oh, man, I am out of practice on those.
And it's about to get dumb up in here.
It is about to get dumb up in here.
Or it's already dumb up in here. All right. So
all right.
The portfolio
Review. Yes.
Wait a second. That's not the right one. There we go. All right.
Look at that. Look at our average cost. That was our double CSWI buy. Nice work. Dumb Investing.
Yeah, maybe we should just do that more often. We are in the green.
Oh, Lordy,
so let's
Lord.
take a look at winners and losers.
Oh,
so
man. That looks like my personal account. There's a whole lot of red.
Oh, man. Isn't it? It's been so crazy.
So on a tangent, I hate to do this because I know we're going to run out of time. We're at 18 minutes right now. On a personal side note, my fun account, I have a fun personal account and I have like the real personal account. And in my fun account, I hit my all-time high at about 11:30 today. And I had just taken a lunch break, checked it, and I was like, wow, all-time high. And there was this little part of me that said, that's a lot of money. You should just sell it all and see what happens. I don't know why I had that thought. I've never had that thought before, but I was like, when I saw that money, I thought I should just sell it all because some of my stuff was up significantly. And I don't know what happened, but I was driving home and listening to Bloomberg, and they were talking about how Biden came on and he's increasing all these taxes and everything else, and the market is bleeding. And I'm just like, no.
He wrecked everything.
Yeah, and checked when I got home, and it was all gone. So it was back down to percent-wise, it was about a 4% hit after his talk. So I didn't have time to go look at the individual stocks. That account has about 14 in the portfolio, and it was just like, man. So those things happen.
And it will. And you know what? Tomorrow's another day. It will. There might be some hangover from that tomorrow. Yeah. We'll see. The market might digest a little bit and start percolating back up. Now, that information that Biden was talking about, so that new tax is going to be announced next Wednesday, I believe. Okay. So it'll be interesting to see what happens as the market reacts when they do that. Now, it's going to be a really hard thing to pass through Congress or the Senate, I think, because, I don't know. It's just such a huge tax, and the implications on businesses and personal wealth. I mean, it's huge. And I get that it only affects the top 1%, but that does have a significant trickle-down effect.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But the one thing about the market is that you need to be in it to catch the rallies. So you're never going to time the rallies perfectly. You're never going to sell out before every single dip perfectly. You just need to be in all the time, and you ride the red seas, you ride the green seas, and over time, you still make money.
Yeah, it's just like what Mom and Dad used to say, if you fall off that horse, you can't walk away. You got to get back on. So I see a lot of red. But we still have some greens down there. So, hey, it's not all bad. It's not all bad.
No. So KeyCorp was down today. And you know what? We haven't really been following too much over the past couple of days, as we've kind of been AWOL here for a little bit. Yeah. So it looks like, if we just kind of look back a couple of days, up to 2068, KeyCorp was. And it was above our position. So a couple of days down. So this will reverse here.
Yeah.
GFL Environmental. Hey, same kind of thing. So a few days ago, 412. I guess that was last week. So it's probably when we about bought it, isn't it? So we've kind of had a pretty substantial slide since then. But it'll be okay. They're a waste company. It'll bounce back. Everybody needs to get rid of waste.
There's always garbage.
Centrus Energy, I don't know. These are our uranium nuclear guys, right?
I think so, yeah.
I think so. Okay. I think there's a lot of opportunity here.
They're our clean energy guys. Come on.
Let's exactly. So, I mean, there's obviously a huge infrastructure bill coming down on clean energy, whether that's solar, nuclear, to be determined. Nuclear is easier, cheaper, but maybe not quite as clean as solar. But
that's another political thing.
I was going to say that's exactly another political.
We could open up all types of comments. Will just go crazy down there. People are going to
one of you.
There's 7. Actually, okay. I thought when I was getting ready tonight, I clicked on one link and did something. I was trying to get ready. I could have swore we had like 30 some viewers on our Friday show.
We had, from what I saw, 26 viewers. And so what Harry did,
that's wicked cool,
is spammed a whole bunch of friends.
Hi, Harry's friends. I'm Lloyd, by the way.
So we do that on Friday nights. We'll send out a new spam and say, hey, guys, we need some views. We're going to make a go of this thing. It's a lot of fun. Follow along. And
it is a lot of fun.
I mean, some of the people come back and say, like, you guys do this every day? I don't have time to watch you every day. It's fine. You don't need to watch every day. It's more fun if you do. It's better for us.
Put it on. Listen to us. You don't even have to watch these 2 idiots. Listen to us while you're paying bills. I listen to Kevin all night long. When I'm balancing the checkbook and doing all the other stuff, I've got Kevin on. I listen to him. I learn some stuff. I learn every day.
We're going to get Kevin on our channel one day. Actually, we're going to be on Kevin one day.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
To be determined. I'll share I'll share that. We'll get there one day.
Cool.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
It is.
And then we have our volatile friends at Socket Mobile. Holy,
are you
look
kidding?
At that spike.
That can't be right.
Wow.
There's something not right about that.
Look at it, $35. Thank goodness we didn't buy up there. Holy
No
moly.
doubt. But somebody did.
Somebody did.
Somebody's in a boat with a lot more holes than us. But that's good that maybe they know something that the rest of the world don't. But watch, it's going to go to 40 one day, and they're going to be like, I told you, and I was in so early.
Totally. And they make $5. Whereas us dummies buy it at $8.50, we make 5 times.
It's okay.
Way better. Okay, and then we talked about
gonna do
CSWI. So CSWI. So this guy has been pretty volatile. Well, I wouldn't even see volatile. It's kind of been straight up. So I'm looking at day charts here, and basically
Maybe we shouldn't sell this one to balance our account.
Well, they've done well. Look at this.
So maybe we should reevaluate this. Maybe we should look at some of our losers and just cut the fat and get out of them. I don't know. What's your personal thoughts on this when you're doing this? Do you sell your big winners because you figure you've already won, or do you sell your losers because you're tired of waiting to win? How do you do that? Actually, we're at 26 minutes. We should probably save this for tomorrow.
Sure. What I'm going to tell you is you don't sell on a red day. Do not sell the dip. When your stocks are down, don't sell them.
Yeah, but some of our stocks have been down for weeks. They're in a trough.
The market has been down for 2 months of pain.
So you want me to throw some more money in here? I can throw another $500 in so we don't have to sell for a while.
I don't know.
I'll do that.
We'll talk about that at tomorrow's episode. We might want to sell. But
well, we can't buy because we're out of cash now, right? What's our cash balance? $37.
Yeah. Maybe we'll buy just 3 shares of Blank Chat.
We can do that and then have this talk tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do that.
Thanks for joining us, everybody.
So we're at, we started with $2,500. We're at $2,441. And, we've been doing this for a month now. So of the 2 months so far of pain, we've been through a month of it. And everything has just been selling off, right? So for us to be down $60 over the last 2 months.
But it's only like 2.5%, right?
Yeah, exactly. 2.37% is what it says. So for us to be down over the last month, I think I'm down way more than that in my personal account over the last.
Oh yeah, my personal account, is trashed compared to that.
Yeah, so I think we're doing well. Maybe we stay the course. Just keep going.
I will put $500 in tomorrow, and we will go buy some FTPAU. And folks, that's how we do it in Dumb Investing. We're gonna do it.
See, we're gonna do it. We need some new stills for our little pictures at the front.
And you know what would be hilarious? This would be the best thing ever. That they decide to go buy one of our other stocks, and they both go up. Oh, would that be hilarious?
I don't know what you mean.
What if they decided to buy BurgerFi?
Who?
Our SPAC.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, would that be awesome?
Hey, FTPAU, watch the show. Go buy it. Turn it into a multi-million-dollar company.
Do it. Offer like $17 a share. It'll be great. That's advice from Dumb Investing. So all you guys, FPOW. Yeah, listen, check that out.
FPOW, yeah.
I love this. Oh my gosh.
Folks, this is crazy.
That's the end of episode 20. We've been doing this for a month. We appreciate every single one of you that watch, especially to the end of this 29-minute show that we did tonight because we had to catch up because we missed a few. We're sorry. We'll try to keep that to a minimum, but we are two hardworking fools just trying to spend some of our retirement money and help people understand the markets through our pain. So hopefully, you watch this show enough, you're going to see what the market does to two guys. You're going to see the ups, the downs, how we choose to deal with it. We're full transparency. And the link below is our spreadsheet. You can see what we've done ever since day one. There's also a link to Webull. Click that sucker, put in $100. You got 2 stocks. You're an investor all of a sudden. It's awesome. Come play
Totally
with us.
awesome.
Let us know what stocks you got down there because we'd love to hear.
Remember, this is strictly for entertainment purposes. We are not your financial advisors. We are not your accountants. We just are 2 dummies on YouTube.
There's professionals over here, and there's dumb investing way over here. So when you're out there and you're trading tomorrow, don't trade like that guy.
Don't trade like that guy.
We appreciate all you guys. Thanks for joining us.
Have a great night, everyone.